Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Telegram messages. Now open up the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android. And let's say on one of these, you accidentally hit the delete button and you no longer have it on your phone in the Telegram app. Now we have a couple options. Let's tap on the settings icon, that gear icon at the bottom right. And from here, the very first thing that we're going to do is scroll down. You can see it says data and storage. Let's tap on that data and storage, and it shows you at the very top what is currently being stored or used. You can see in my case 15 megabytes. So let's tap on storage usage, and you can see if any of these are unchecked, make sure they're all checked so that they're all using storage and essentially being able to be backed up. I would also recommend scrolling down and you can see auto remove cached media. Make sure to switch these instead of 1 day or 1 week. Let's switch these to never. So on all of these channels, stories, everything, we want it to be as long as possible, either 1 week or never. Now, after we've gone through that process, the next thing that you will notice is all of this is backed up. If we go back out of here you'll be able to see save to photos. This is another thing that we're going to make sure to turn on. You can see save to photos for private chats and videos. Let's turn those on. In addition to group chats, let's turn that on for photos and videos. And then scroll back, and channels, you can turn that on if you wanted to. Now everything is turned on, and let's check to make sure that you have a backup to restore all of those deleted chats. So let's hop out of the Telegram app, and next we're going to open up the settings app on your iPhone or Android phone, doesn't really matter. And now from here at the very top, we're going to tap on your name. And there you can see midway down is iCloud. Essentially, Telegram by default backs everything up to the iCloud. So let's tap on iCloud. And now let's go to Save to iCloud where it says See All. Tap on that. Now this will show you everything that's currently being synced up and saved to your iCloud. Let's scroll down here and you should see the Telegram app. There it is. It's toggled on, indicating that Telegram is being backed up to your iCloud. So essentially all we need to do is get those backups back onto your Telegram app so that we can restore all of those messages. The easiest way to be able to do that is we're going to press and hold on the Telegram app, and then we're going to hit remove and delete and delete. However, all we have to do is go back into the App Store or Google Play Store, and we're going to, from here, type in Telegram, and then just tap on it to install. So you'll be able to see it starts to install the Telegram app. Let's find it. There it is. Now when we install it and open it back up, all we need to do is enter in our phone number. So let me just enter in that phone number and hit continue and continue. Now just enter in the code when it's texted to you. And then enter in the password. So let me just autofill that password real quick and hit continue. Let's bring in the contacts. And now we'll be able to see it brings in all of those messages. Let's hit don't allow. It brings in all of those messages directly in here. Essentially, it synced it up using the backup that was in iCloud and brought it back into Telegram, into your messages. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.